Hey guys, this is Cindy with SeekOptics.com, and today we're going to show you how to replace the lenses on your Oakley Batwolf frames. So let's get started. Because the Batwolf is a singular lens, we're actually going to be working on it in sections. So go ahead and turn your frame around, like if you're going to put it on. Once you've done that, I like to rotate my frame at a 90-degree angle. It just makes it easier to work this way. And we're going to actually locate sections here and here of the frame, and we're going to pull out on these sections with these two fingers as we push the lens forward with our thumbs to unseat it. So let's give it a shot. Perfect. You should hear a popping sound like that. If you do, do not be alarmed. It's just the lens unseating itself from the groove of the frame. We're going to do the same thing to this side. Go ahead and locate sections here and here. Pull out on these sections as you push the lens forward to unseat it. Perfect. Now the only thing that's holding this lens in place is the nose piece. So go ahead and push the lens forward with your thumbs and it should pop right out. Perfect. So now to install your new Seek Optic lenses, go ahead and turn your frame around. And we're actually going to be starting off with the nose piece here. We're going to line up our lens to the top portion of the frame here to this groove. Now today I'm going to be installing my Revo Deep Purple Seek Optic replacement lenses. We're going to start off by lining up the top section here of the lens to the top groove of the frame. So let's go ahead and do that. And once you have that lined up, we're simply going to push down or in to get it to seat in. And now that that's done, so go ahead and push down on this section of the frame here on the side to get it to pop into place. Once you've done that, run your thumbs along the edges of the frame and the lens just to make sure it's locked in. And we're going to work our way up till you hear that pop. So once you've done that, go ahead and give your lenses a wipe down with your Seek Optics microfiber pouch. Now this will remove any impurities that might have been left behind during the installation, any oils, any dust that might have been left. Again, wipe it down. And now you're good to go. Once you've installed your new Seek Optic lenses into your frames, we would love to see how you customize your look to fit your everyday needs. So go ahead and post a picture to Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram with the hashtag Seek Optics. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more updates and content. And of course, if you do have any further questions or concerns about the installation, your frames, or the lenses, please feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email to info@seekoptics.com.